Hello everyone and welcome for this new weekly altcoin review. So this week we're going to talk about a few coins. The watch list is here. The watch list is pretty small, only a few coins, and I will really focus on few charts and few setups that are very looking good to me, because this is the best setup I trade, and I will show you how I trade it and how it looks like. But first, little introduction. So here we go. Let's start with the total 2 market cap. So as you may know, it's the altcoin against USD, and our green box was on point. So this is very clean retest of the top of 2017. That was a resistance and it's now becoming a support. So now in the weekly time frame, the next resistance is just 10% higher at this low here. So most of the time a support become a resistance once you break it. So we could have something like this. That should be very beautiful. I would like to see this. But for now we are enjoying the profits in this bounce. So I will just show you the total chart that was very beautiful, with this resistance, breakout, retest and pump. Okay, so I shared it on Twitter, on the TradingView account of Subverto, in the Discord. So if you haven't seen it, you should take more look more for our Discord, Twitter and so on of Subverto. Okay, total 2 against BTC USD, it's altcoins against BTC. So you see it's just an uptrend and we like the uptrends. So nothing more to say on this chart, but it looks good. On the auto chart, so we had this big bounce here, very difficult to take position on this one, but for now it's currently in consolidation. You can check the daily chart and we are breaking what looks like a falling wedge. It's not a bullish wolf wave, but a falling wedge, and we are breaking, so it's a bit late to enter position here. But it was beautiful. This morning when I drew this, we were like somewhere there. So we already bounced 5%, so it's too late to me. On to the next one here. AVAX broke that resistance, turned it into support, and now bouncing. So very good looking, and the USD pair is even more good looking. You see there, support, resistance, and now support again. BNB, we are still in this big volatility contraction pattern. To me, it's a bit early to take position on this one, and the pattern is so huge that it's difficult to take position. Because imagine you want to take the break here and put your stop loss below the last low. You have your stop loss at 23%. So it's a very big stop loss size. So for this one, I'm waiting to have a breakout, and I will zoom in the daily or the 4 hours to have a tight stop loss less than 10%, something like this. You know, if you break, imagine we do something like this, breakout, then you can put your stop loss just under the low at 5%, and this will look very good. But to me, for now, it's way too early to enter in position. Cake just on the resistance. So I showed you last week. I like it because you check the arrows, the blue arrows, resistance, now support, and the support is holding, and we are making kind of consolidation here, accumulation. So just after this big flag. So I want to have a breakout on this one and flip this zone. The zone is not very clean, you know. There is resistances that are way more clean than this one, but we still have these two tops here. So you want a nice break and this zone here to act like a support. So you can take the retest here. It's better to me than taking a big candle here. You know, a 10% candle, it's very hard to enter in such configuration. Dodo, last week we had this retest of the support and now bouncing like 10%, I think. So it's nice one. I'm not on this one, but it looks good. Doge, I think we are currently drawing a low here, a low that is higher than the last one. So it would be a higher low, and then maybe we could have a higher high and something like this, which is an uptrend. So as I said earlier this week or last week, I can't remember, Doge is a coin to keep in mind because it has consolidated a bit here since May 21, so more than a year of consolidation, and currently forming a huge bottom here, right on the retest of the top of 2014 here. So like this, a top, a bottom, you know. So I definitely keep an eye on Doge. I think there is nice opportunity on this one. AXS, strong for now. We held that support here, the black line horizontal, and now we are in a consolidation. So waiting for a breakout of the 840 zone there, and maybe we can have more upside. But to me, there is better setups than this one. Just me, to be honest, I took the loss. So as I shared on the Discord, I shared a position idea, a trade idea. So I took the position here, and I told you that if the chart was closing the daily under the box, I would close it. So I followed my plan and I closed it. But it was only a half position, so it's a very very small loss, and I will take if we break this resistance, because this is a very beautiful spring, you know. So this looks good. Ray, currently big volume here, uptrend, because we have lows, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low. Okay, so this is an uptrend. So now what you have to do is zoom a bit and try to find zones of interest, pattern, bullish candlesticks, and so on, to enter in position. But this one I'm not entering on it because there is better setups out there. Stay until the end of the video to see the best setups I have. Theta, this is one of the best setup I have. This is not the best, but one of the best. If you have checked the video I uploaded like 2 days ago on YouTube and on our Twitter, I explained everything on the Theta USD trade you can make. Everything, okay? So just go see this video, leave like, comments, ask your questions, and you will see everything you have to know about the Theta USD chart and about the trades you can take on this one. Mvyw Ethereum. This is the metaverse index and it looks really good. So we have a very nice tight consolidation here, the gray box with very clean higher lows, very clean resistance. So it's pretty easy to take your position if we break this one. But you can't speculate this one. It's only an index you can find. You can't find it on FTX, Binance, and so on. You have to dig into and check for mana and other coin in the metaverse. ALCX breaking the resistance. Let's see if you can flip this resistance into a support and take a nice position with a really great risk adjusted. Let's see, it's a bit early for now. USDT, now this is one of the best. This is the second best chart out there. So you have a big downtrend. You can see it here. This is a linear chart and this is a log chart. So you have a big downtrend and now it is in consolidation mode. 20% range. What I want a break of this resistance and I want to long the hell of it if we break. I want to have a big position if we break out because this one can go as high as $17 to me. We can do something like this, you know, easily. In few weeks we can go to $17 if the market is good and we break out hard. So I'm waiting for Phil to break. I will update everything on the Discord when it happens. For now, it is just waiting game. As I always say, waiting is the hardest part of trading. ENG, this one looks the same as Phil, so you can choose enter in ENG, Phil, or you can try to time the market and enter, for example, in Phil. If Phil pump, then you take profits and you enter in ENG if it hasn't pumped yet. Ape, I told you yeah, I deleted this one. I told you that if we break out this resistance, it was a nice place to enter. I did not take it, can't remember why. I think I wasn't on the screen when it broke, so I wasn't able to take it, but it pumped almost 40%. 36, so it's a nice one. I think we can draw something like this and more up. ENS, one of the strongest coin out there, breakout of the resistance here, consolidation just under the resistance and then boom, a big green candle. So I think there is more profits to take in ENS. And here is the best coin out there to me, Mana USD. So it's from Metaverse coin, very tight range here, easy to set up your stop loss, either this way, or maybe you can even zoom more, wait for something like this, boom, then you put your stop loss under this low, and then you see for more leverage. Mana is available in the perpetual contract, in September contract too. So there is a lot of contracts on Mana. You can go with leverage and so on. So Mana is one of the best to me in this watch list. If you have to take one trade, it's on Mana. If I have to make a summary, to keep in mind, Mana, ENG, PIL, and Theta. This is the best coin out there, the best setups I have. So don't forget to stay focused. It's not good to go for 15 positions because all the risk remain the same. It's better to have 2-3 positions with a better and a bigger risk than 15 positions difference. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. Leave a like, comment, and let's ask questions in the Discord. Love you guys, and check our Instagram next week and next weekend because you will see amazing stories, to be honest. Ready. See you guys, bye. Did you like this video? Leave a like, comment and subscribe. Discover our different social networks and our website in description just below.